Welcome back to my workshop. Now today a very quick tip for you. Now I'm in the middle of building a shed in my garden and as a result I've had some material delivered, and some of that is 8x4 sheets of OSB. So the tip I'm going to give you today is how to carry it. Now I was dreading this because some of it is 18mm, some of it is 12mm. Either way, it's all big, it's all awkward. How do I move it around? It's been delivered out the front and I've got to move it out to the back. Now what I want to do is show you how to lift it quickly and easily without any strain. So all we need is a bit of string. Now when I say string, what I've got is this nylon-y rope stuff. Okay, nothing special. I think I got this from Aldi's. I've got about 100 meters of it for about £1. Now all you need is about 20 foot of this. Okay, I haven't got a single piece that's 20 foot. So I've got a couple of pieces that are about 10 foot. So all I've got to do is make a big loop. Now all I've got to do is tie knots in it. Now I'm not a Boy Scout, so any knot will do as long as it doesn't come apart. Right, so now we've got our big loop of rope. What I've got is a pair of gloves, which you're obviously going to need. Don't use too thin a string because it will just cut into your hands. Right, I've got a piece of the board up against the fence. Let me go and show you how to use this. Right, so first thing you do is put your gloves on. All we do is you take a piece of rope, make a loop in one end and hook it over the bottom corner. Then you take your other end, another loop, hook it over the other corner. Okay, decide which way you're going. I'm going to go that way. So nearest hand grabs the middle of the rope, pull the board, lift it up, and away you go. So that's about it for this one. I told you it's going to be a quick one. That was something I was dreading doing, was moving a load of boards around. I've got to move it again afterwards because obviously I've got to move it to where I'm building a shed. But that was just a tip to show you, just using a piece of rope, how easy it is to move sheet goods. So don't panic. All right, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.